Hello children, today we will see lesson 8 of moral science, that is health hazards. Okay, lesson 8, health hazards. Children, hazards means what? Danger or risk. Okay, we can see that in today's time of pandemic, it's such a health hazard is going on, COVID-19. The coronavirus is affecting all of us, not only in our country but worldwide. Okay, so children, we will see that what precautions we can take, and we can be, if we are a little careful, how we can protect our lives and as well as others' lives. Like if I talk about today's time, this COVID-19 is going on, so you should always wear mask. Whenever you are going outside, you should always wear mask. Okay, in that way you can protect yourself as well as others also. And when you are coming from outside to your home, you should sanitize your hand using sanitizer, or you should wash your hands from time to time. Keep washing your hands. In this way we can protect ourselves from this dangerous coronavirus. So children, let's see this chapter. Open page number 32. Health hazards. When you are walking on the footpath of a city road, many vehicles pass by you. They emit clouds of smoke which irritate your nostrils, mouth and eyes. So it's so much of pollution is there, and when we are walking on the road, or when we are, or when we are riding on a bike or scooter, so much of smoke comes out, and our eyes becomes red with smoke and all, and we inhale so many poisonous gases also, right? Suppose your father is driving a motorcycle and you are riding pillion. Pillion means sitting at the back seat. Okay, your father has a helmet and a visor to protect him from the smoke. Helmet he wears, and the front part is there. You can pull it down to protect from smoke. But you suffer, the one who is sitting at the back, suffer from the dust and smoke on the road. In fact, you are inhaling the carbon monoxide from the smoke. So children, not only the one who is riding the bike, but the one who is sitting at the back should also wear helmet. First thing is, it protects you in case of accident or something. If it occurs, it will protect your head. So it's not only that the one who is driving, the first one, the one who is driving, he will only have this head stuck on the ground. The other one will also face the same problem. So both should wear helmet. Okay, and second thing is that if the back one is also wearing helmet, and you can just pull it down the front glass part, you can protect yourself to much extent with this smoke inhaling and dust and all. So both should wear helmets. There are laws to prevent excess emission of smoke. You can get information about pollution in the environment from TV channels and newspapers. So children, there are laws also made that your vehicle should not emit smoke, and the front lights should also be down light, up light, things are there. So there are laws which are made for vehicles when the vehicles are running on the road. And what are the rules? You should find out from the newspaper, TV channels and other sources. Lead content in the air is poison. In the environment, different gases are present, different elements are present, in which the lead content is there, which is very poisonous. There are strict laws requiring the garbage trucks to cover their contents and not to pollute the air. But people often breach the laws. So the people who carry these garbages and all, they should always cover the garbage. You should not pollute the environment. But people, they don't follow the rules. They just do whatever they feel like. There is also a law prohibiting smoking tobacco in the form of cigarettes, cigars or bidis at the public places. There is another law against advertising alcoholic drinks. So children, smoking is very, very injurious to health. We all know, but people, they don't follow it. If they are, smoker, they smoke cigarettes, cigars, bidis, whatever they get, they smoke it. And they know that despite that it will harm their lungs, they still follow it, and they don't follow the rules, and they harm their lives. Both smoking and drinking of alcohol are injurious to health. So in TV also you have seen that these kind of advertisement are not encouraged. You don't see any advertisement related to this alcohol or cigarettes. And tobacco and alcohol pollute the vital organs of the body. The means lungs. Tobacco, it infects the lungs. The alcohol, too much of alcohol may damage your liver. So it is very, very harmful for our important organs of our body. Some smoking harms even those who stand by the side of smokers. Not only children who is smoking, he is at risk, but the one who is standing near the smoker is equally in danger, children. He is known as the passive smoker. The one who is smoking is the active smoker, and the one who is standing beside the smoker is a passive smoker. Means the smoke which the person is smoking out, that is inhaled by the other person. So equally he is also smoking. So it is very dangerous for the person who is smoking as well as the people who are standing near them. Suppose person is a family person and is smoking in the family, so all the family members, even the kids who are sitting, they are smoking that dangerous, that harmful gas inside their body, and it is harming their lungs. So if you find anybody near you who is smoking, please tell them not to smoke. Once a doctor asked a patient who suffered from breathing problems to blow cigarette smoke into a clean white tissue paper. So once it happened that chain smoker is the chain smoker means what? Person who keeps smoking. In a day he smokes many cigarettes. He is known as the chain smoker. Okay. So once a doctor asked him to blow a smoke and to blow it out on the tissue paper. You use a cigarette and the smoke should be blown on the tissue paper. The man was a chain smoker, means he was very addicted to smoking. He blew hard 3 times. So 3 times he blew out the smoke. Then the doctor showed him the tissue paper. What happened to the tissue paper? It had become dark. So white tissue paper had become absolutely dark. So what did the doctor tell the patient? Then the doctor explained to the patient that his lungs were like the stained tissue paper. So just like the white tissue paper has become black, your lungs have also become black. Smoking had stained his lungs with nicotine, which is a tar-like substance. So the continuous smoking has, stained, has made the lungs so dark. It is with nicotine is present in the smoke, then the cigarette, and which is a tar-like substance. Tar-like means black, thick liquid, that is tar. So it stays block the windpipe of the smoker. So we have windpipe, right? And the smoke, what it does, it just block the windpipes. It blocks the windpipes with the smoke, and the patient is not able to breathe in properly. That means the fresh oxygen is not able to reach the lungs because it is already blocked here. Often it makes the smoker cough to get the air passage clear. So what does the smoker? They have to cough many times so that the smoke comes out and the windpipe gets cleared, and then the fresh air may reach their lungs. It is very bad thing. Pollution caused by smoking and vehicular pollution are similar. So it's not like only the vehicles smoke is dangerous, the smoker's smoke is equally dangerous. The vehicles pollute the environment. Smoking pollutes the internal parts of your body, especially the lungs. So like the vehicles pollution, it pollutes the environment, it makes the environment so poisonous, and the smoke which comes out of the cigarette, it pollutes the internal body, it makes your body poisonous. A smoking person is like a chimney that belches out smoke from the furnace of the factory. Just like in the factory, smoke comes out, belches means sending out a lot of smoke. So in the similar way, the person who smokes a lot, it is like a chimney. Every time he is sending out, belches out means sending out smoke from his mouth. But the chimney stands still at one place while the smoker emits carbon monoxide wherever he or she smokes. But the factory chimneys also means harmful. It pollutes the environment, but it doesn't move here and there, right? It will pollute the atmosphere just nearby. But the smoker is not still. He is going everywhere, and everywhere he is polluting the environment. He is polluting harming the person who are present near him. All cigarette packets contain the warning that smoking is injurious to health. Yet people take to smoking knowing very well the danger it poses to their precious lives. We all know, even the learned people who read that on the packets it is written that cigarette smoking is injurious to health, means it is very harmful to health. But still they do not follow the instruction and they keep on smoking. The tobacco industry earns crores of rupees. If people do not smoke, it will not make huge profits. Therefore, it will surely see that young people pick up the habit of smoking. These tobacco industries, they want that people should smoke, because the more people will smoke, the more money they will earn. And they do not care that it will harm their lives or not. So they want that the young people should pick up the tobacco and cigarette habit so that they will keep buying their products and they will make money, which is not a good thing. It is a moral duty of the parents and teachers to see that no one picks up the unhealthy habit of smoking and use of alcohol. So children, as your teacher, I would strictly tell you and I would request you that you will, when you grow up and you become adult, never ever pick up this habit of smoking or alcohol. Don't think, children, it is very cool to drink and it is very cool to smoke. No, this is a foolish thing. If you are thinking, do not follow your elders. If any elder in your family smoke or drink, please do not copy them. Okay, instead you should tell them the harmful things that they might face in the near future. And children, you being my children, I hope that you will never ever do such things in your future. Most young people think that smoking is a sign of grown-up people. Young men think it is cool, as I told you, to be seen smoking, and the young ladies think that smoking is a sign of liberation from the customs of society. Being cool and liberated are no reasons for destroying oneself. See children, health is wealth. Don't think that if you smoke or if you drink, you think you'll be very advanced and people will think you are very cool and liberated. Liberated means one who feels free, means under no foundation and all. Don't think that way, okay? And it will harm you so much. It will harm your health. So don't fool yourself. If you follow this, you will fool yourself, okay? So never follow this. As soon as a person who is smoking comes closer to others, they feel disgusted of the foul odor that comes from the person's mouth. Disgusted means, children, not liking something, okay? And foul odor means bad odor, which is not good in smelling. So when a person who smokes and he comes near a person, other persons, so very bad smell comes from the mouth, and people don't want to stand near such people. Even socially, the person is alienated from others. Alienated means, making him aloof, not a part of something or somewhere. So they just don't want their opinions anywhere. Smoking invites serious diseases like asthma, tuberculosis and cancer. But a person with a strong willpower can definitely leave this bad habit. So children, smoking can bring many serious health issues like asthma, in which you have a breathing problem, tuberculosis and cancer. Even cancer you can have. So means the people who are in the habit of this, they should develop their willpower, and at any cost they should try to leave this bad habit. Okay children, so this is about this chapter, health hazards. Let's see the exercise part also, children. Open page number 35. State true or false. So first is, lead content in the air is not harmful. False, it is harmful. So first one is False. Second, smoking and drinking of alcohol are injurious to health. Yes, it is injurious. True. Third, smoking and use of alcohol do not affect your body. False. It affects our body. Fourth, all cigarette packets contain the health warning that smoking is injurious to health. Yes, it does. It contains. True. Smoking blocks the windpipe of the smoker. Yes, it blocks. This is true. So first is false, true, and then true. Let's see, fill in the blanks also. Turn your page. Fill in the blanks. First is, you inhale the carbon monoxide from the smoke. Carbon monoxide from the smoke. Smoking is prohibited at public places. Public places. Third is, smoking creates health problems. Health problems. A smoking person is like a chimney that belches out smoke. Chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. The vehicles on the road emit a lot of smoke that affects your health adversely. This answer is smoke. So children, carbon monoxide, public places, health, chimney and smoke. So I want you all to fill the exercise and also learn them, and question answers you will get as PDF. Thank you.